Okay, a lot of you have asked for bodmas, the order of operations. So here we go. Let's see how it's done. One of the most important things you'll ever learn in mathematics is your bodmas rules. If you don't apply them once you've been taught them in every single problem, your chances are high you're going to get the wrong answer. So the bodmas rules always start with brackets first, then orders. Those would be your powers or your indexes and your square roots. Then it would be divide, multiply, add, and subtract, always in that order. Let me give you an example. Let's work through an example together. Right, so here I've got two problems that are identical. You can see they are identical. This one I'm going to simply solve without bodmas, which is how a lot of people do it, and they always come to the wrong answer. I'm going to solve it across like that. And I'm going to get the wrong answer on purpose to show you why bodmas is important, because here I will solve it with the brackets first, then the two minus signs, which is using bodmas. And we'll get the correct answer here. So let's start with this one over here. I'm simply going to do it vocally and show you as I go across that we're going to put the answer here that it will be the wrong answer. So let's have a look at that. 18 minus 7 is 11 plus 5 is 16 minus 2 equals 14. Right, so now this one is actually the wrong answer. Now I'm going to show you this one. We're going to start with the brackets first, because bodmas, if there's brackets, you do them first. So we're going to do this first. So let's go solve that. That's going to be 7 plus 5 is 12. Right, and then I'm just going to write in the rest that's still there so that you can follow my train of thought. Okay, so I've just written the 18 again, the minus again. We solved this, here it is here. Wrote the minus again and the 2 again. So if you can keep up with me here, you'll understand it better now on the next move. Now you can see we've still got two signs left here. They're both the same. They're minuses. So they're on an equal footing in bodmas. So we can actually simply just go from left to right and solve that now. There's nothing more important than the minus sign because I'm on the equal footing. So I'm going to go 18 minus 12 is 6. Minus 2 is 4. So let me go write that down. Equals 4. Now if you look very carefully, you'll see that this one is correct. And this one is a vast way different to this one here. That's 14, that's 4. So always use your bodmas. I'll show you a more complicated example on the next screen. Right, so here we have 40 divided by, and you can see here's a bracket, big bracket. But within this bracket is another bracket. So we always solve our brackets first. So we're going to always solve the bracket within the bracket first. And then we'll look at what's more important in this according to bodmas in that bracket. And we'll solve all of this first before we come back to that which is outside the bracket, because brackets are most important in bodmas. So I'm going to solve this one first and this one as well, because that's a bracket and that's an order. So let's go write those in quickly. So this bracket is going to, 6 minus 4 is going to be equal to 2. And the 2 to the power 2 is going to be equal to 4. 2 times 2 is 4. I'm going to write the rest in quickly so we don't lose our train of thought. Okay, this is a minus. Right, so now you can see it's simply just copied down. The only part I've written here in green is the part I've solved, because we solved this bracket and then after that is orders. We solved the orders. But we've still got this bracket left here. So we're still going to solve this with our bodmas rules before we get to that. You can see there's a times here. And there's a plus and there's a minus. So this is the most important of the signs left in the bracket. Then the plus, then the minus. So let's solve 4 times 2. 4 times 2 is 8. Okay. Now we're going to write our plus in. Sorry, let me just get my pen here. Plus 3 minus 1. And we'll put the rest in here as well. Okay. So 4 times 2 is standing here as 8. That's your 3. That's your 1. There's your 40. We still got to finish solving this. Plus comes before minus in bodmas. So we're going to go across. 3 plus 8 is 11. Minus 1 is going to be 10. So the answer to that bracket now is 10. And let's write the rest in that was standing outside the bracket. Right, so now it's simple. All we have to do is 40 divided by 10. We can do that in our mental arithmetic. That is going to be 4. Okay, so I hope you understand that bodmas are very important and you always need to apply them. Go download your worksheet. It's a free worksheet. It's on the link that is above on my head, or the workspace in this video. And you can go click on free worksheets on my website and get your bodmas worksheet and practice. So I hope you understand your bodmas rules a bit better now. Download your worksheet and get some practice. You'll only get stronger if you practice.